Here's a new 2024 Cadillac Escalade. Cadillac was meticulous about what went into building this Escalade so you can get whatever you want out of it. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and V8 engine. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.